It started as a hum, then a knock. Now it sounds like a small kangaroo is living inside your generator. They keep putting it off. Next week you say, oh, like the machine is magically going to heal itself. Spoiler alert, it won't. At Sanderson Engineering, we fix what others ignore. For nearly 50 years in Osborne Park, our techs have the experience and a freakish talent for knowing what's wrong just by listening. We handle petrol generators, including Yamaha, Honda and Dunlite, and even revive some of those cheap generators from Temu. And we do it quick with a 2 or 3 day turnaround. Even when others say, we're flat out. Those weird noises, it's a warning. And when your generator cuts out mid-trip or mid-shift, you'll wish you called us earlier. Message Sanderson Engineering on Facebook or WhatsApp and let's silence some marsupial under the hood.